Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Altlayer token. Now this is a cross-chain token. This is on the this is a BEP20 token and an ERC20 token. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. I believe they're getting a few very big central exchange listings. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Altlayer is an open and decentralized protocol for rollups. And like I said, it's a cross-chain token on the Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain. And this token's getting a couple brand new central exchange listings. It is being listed on Binance. It was just announced. It says they're delighted to share that Altlayer is set to launch the Alt token on Binance January 25th. So that's obviously a huge central exchange listing. Now, Binance is not available everywhere in the world, so not everybody uses Binance. I'm sure there's more central exchange listings as well. There's probably a ton, of tier 2, tier 3, even tier 4 central exchange listings for this project. If you go to their Twitter, you'll see how big this project is. I'm going to put their Twitter actually up right here on the screen, and you'll see they have 569,600 Twitter followers. Doing very well, and you can see their Twitter at alt_layer, 1,132 tweets, blue verified check marks, lots of information over there. You can go to altlayer.io for their webpage, or you can find their full document section, like a white paper, at docs.altlayer.io. So this token, it was just announced, also is getting a brand new central exchange listing, same date as the Binance one, on Mexc Global. So this token will be listed on Mexc January 25th at exactly 10 o'clock UTC time, 10 a.m. You'll be able to get this token. If you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then go into the trade section on January 25th after 10 o'clock UTC time and search Altlayer, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now keep in mind, the actual ticker symbol for this token is Alt, but on Mexc they have it listed as Altlayer, all one word, probably because there was another token with a ticker symbol named Alt, so they don't want people to get confused. So Altlayer is an open and decentralized protocol for rollups. With Altlayer, we bring together a novel idea of a restaked rollup, which takes existing rollups spun from any rollup stack, such as OP Stack, Arbitrum, Orbit, ZK Stack, Polygon, CDK, etc., and provides them with enhanced security, decentralization, interoperability, and crypto economic fast finality. Restaked rollups combines the ease of spinning up rollups using rollup stacks, such as OP Stack, etc., and others with the power of EigenLayer's restaking mechanism to bootstrap network security and build a decentralized network. Now, restaked rollups are essential, a set of 3 vertical integrated, actively validated services created on demand for a given rollup that works with any underlying rollup stack. These AVSESs in junction offer 3 key services to rollups, in particular to app-specific rollups. And number 1 is verification of rollup state correctness. Number 2 is faster finality. And number 3 is decentralized sequencing. The above services are provided via 3 modular components called number 1 Vital, number 2 Mock, and number 3 Squad. Built on top of this protocol, Altlayer offers a versatile no-code rollup as a service, a RAS, R-A-S-S, launchpad that allows not only developers but also those with little to no coding experience to spin up a customized rollup within 2 minutes with only a few simple clicks. The RAS product is designed for a multi-chain and multi-VM world, and hence will have factory support from EVM as well as WASM. It also supports different rollup SDKs such as OPStack, Arbitrum Orbit, Polygon, etc., different shared sequencing services such as Espresso and Radius, as well as different DA layers such as Celestia, EigenLayer, and Avail, among others, modular services at different layers of the rollup stack. In addition to this, a key innovation that Altlayer brings to the rollup design space is the idea of ephemeral rollups. With ephemeral rollups, a dApp development expecting an increase in demand for his application could, number 1, quickly spin up a fast and scalable application tailored rollup secured by a layer 1 or layer 2, or no, layer 1, but then it says number 2 can use the rollup as long as needed, and then number 3, dispose of the rollup by doing an end-of-life settlement on the layer 1. Ephemeral rollups are a highly resourced, optimized rollup that gives developers the best of an application-specific rollup and a general-purpose layer 1. Under the RAS umbrella, Altlayer offers both ephemeral as well as persistent rollups. So Altlayer protocol can save considerable capital and years of development work for teams and encourage innovation and rapid experimentation while being fully open and permissionless. So why Altlayer? We believe in a world of 1,000 rollups. Some designed for general purpose usage such as Arbitrum 1, Optimism, ZK Sync, etc., while others designed for application-specific use cases, built using heterogeneous and modular tech stacks. So they go over, if you want to learn about, the Vital, Mock, Squad, restaked rollups, they have certain sections on that on their document section. If you want to stake, there's staking of dApp tokens. You can learn that, learn how to do that as well. They go over the whole RAS, the rollup as a service. If you want to learn about the client's ecosystem, pricing model, the offering, all that type of stuff. They have their own rollup launchpad as well. You can learn all about that. There's the tooling section, Flash, GPT, Web IDE. You can check out the external integrations on their page as well. The in-house rollup stack in depth, rollup types, core features of Altlayer's in-house rollup stack, and yeah, just basically testnet information, support if you need support and trying to figure anything out there. But yeah, all the information's at altlayer.io or docs.altlayer.io. It's getting a brand new Binance listing, which is huge, and then a brand new Mexc global listing, which is huge as well. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Altlayer? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.